So unlike all those other videos on YouTube where all they do is like go on for some long dissertation about how to get approved, I'm going to show you how I got approved. So I use this service here, but I'm sure this technique will work with any, doesn't matter. Whatever SMS provider that you're using, use this technique. So here's mine here, verified, and also up here, verified. And so I'm an MSP in the Midwest, and I provide IT support. And I just kind of got to a point where I wanted to be able to provide SMS services for my clients, but I didn't necessarily want them texting my cell phone directly. If I'm on vacation, whatever, I don't want them calling me and ruining the beach, okay? Anyways, so this right here is the description that I used, and these are the messages that I used just to say, hey, thanks for opening a help desk ticket. Someone will get back to you. But as you can tell, I also have all this stuff in here. So at the end, you're always kind of giving somebody an out just in case you sent them a message and they don't like text messages, even though somehow, some way they asked for it, now they don't want it, now you give them a way to stop. And then down here, this is the most important part right here. It's this, because I kept being told over and over and over again that my call to action wasn't correct. So what I did is I uploaded a screenshot of, so if you follow that link, it takes you here to the screenshot. And so this screenshot, I'm showing them, because this is like I'm imagining or envisioning, this is a human verification process. So I'm showing them here on Google Drive that when the user gets to my website, they give their name, their phone number, they consent, they hit submit, and that's how they get in. So you have to show them that. You have to show them where on your website, because I don't think that you have the ability just to tell them that everything's going to be text only, like just SMS only. You have to have another like viable method like this to show the people who are verifying these campaigns that you have this information on your website. There's another location that you can go to find out more information about this company's SMS practices, which kind of leads me to the next thing. So just real quick, so here's that page here, the contact page. So on my terms and conditions, the first thing I put was the SMS terms and conditions. Same thing with the privacy policy. You have to do this. So that's it. That's how I got approved. So again, going back to here, you have to kind of give them detailed information about what's going on, create a screenshot, send them the screenshot of what your contact page looks like. So I used Contact Form 7 WordPress plugin, and in that you have the ability to create a contact form with just name, phone number, and then a checkbox. And you can even copy this word for word. In fact, take screenshots of this stuff and upload it into ChatGPT and tell it to change the text to fit your business or your service offering, and then copy paste it and get approved. So just kind of a backstory. I mean, I can't even tell you how many times that I tried to get this approved. I mean, it was probably, I'm going to say probably 15 times. And this very last time, I swear to you, that very last time, I told myself, okay, it's over with. I don't care about text message anymore. I'm just done. I'll come back. I'll revisit this in a while. And logged in and was approved. So what was weird is a little telltale sign that I was about to get approved is that they charged me, they basically hit my bank account to make sure, because I think there's like a $10 or $15 fee whenever you submit this and it's verified successfully. So they hit my account for more money, and then right after that, that's when I got approved. So even though they say they're not a part of the approval process, okay, that's fine, whatever. So something to note is, even though I got approved, what I had to do is I had to go in and link the account. As you probably know, you keep being like shown this like everywhere. That, see right here, you got to read that. So, and then also what you have to do is after you do all this stuff here that they're asking you to do, which is to kind of like link these accounts, the next step is to wait. So it's a weekend right now for me, so it's not working for me right now. So no worries, everything is verified, everything's like cool. My guess is that because I just linked these accounts, and honestly, it's kind of weird. It's like these A2P accounts. and the 10 DCL, like, dude, I don't even care to know what that is, man. I just went in and linked it, and that's all I know. That's all I did. I don't care anything past that. So I'm just waiting for the ability to actually send out, which should be anytime now. So if you've been struggling to get your campaign approved for SMS at any of these service providers, this is how you do it. So just real quick, coming down here, everything's registered, everything's good to go, and this right here is the key. And then also right here, make sure to snag all that, just so that you can kind of replicate that for yourself based on your company name, service industry, whatever it is. But I think odds are they're gonna want your company name right there at the very beginning. I'm an MSP in the Midwest. I have a YouTube channel here where I document, going from working at home, which I've been doing since 2011, to getting an office, which I did in April, to hiring my first employee, which I did, but I just let him go. Did a video about that too. So just the struggles of a small business owner trying to take it to the next level. I did 150 in sales last year, probably do about 160, 165 this year, and trying to hire my first employee and just documenting that journey. So if you like this kind of content, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.